ZipLock is a synthetic splice that allows end users to quickly put a belt onto a conveyor. Some of the advantages that ZipLock has is that we can quickly put a belt on compared to an endless belt or installing a belt in the field. Compared to metal fasteners, you're not going to damage the product. You're also not going to damage the slider bed. ZipLock has an invisible splice, so that's an advantage over plastic spiral lace. Installing a belt in the field typically takes about 45 minutes, where compared to ZipLock, you can do that in as easy as 20 seconds. ZipLock is well suited for situations where minimizing the time required to replace belts is crucial. We typically see ZipLock in logistics applications such as scanners, gappers, inclines, and extendos. ZipLock inserts are available for our 2.5mm thick matte finish belt and our 2.8mm thick longitudinal rib belt. If you're interested in switching to ZipLock, visit our website for more information or reach out to your local sales representative.